In this video, we'll do representation of signed numbers. How to represent signed numbers. Sign means plus or minus, positive or negative. Now, what is the difference between a number and a signed number? Signed number means a number having a sign plus or minus, positive or negative. For example, if you are going to represent 7, that will be different from plus 7 and again different from minus 7. Okay. So if you have to represent 7, normal 7, the binary representation will be 111 in 3-bit. Okay. But if you have to represent plus or minus 7, then the binary will be equivalent binary will be different from 111. This is the normal 7, but the plus 7 and minus 7 will be differ from this. Okay. Now there are two forms to represent a signed number. One is signed magnitude and another one is complement form. Okay. And complement form is again contain two forms to represent a number, signed number. That is 1's complement and 2's complement. Okay. So we'll discuss in this video, we'll discuss signed magnitude. Okay. Signed magnitude in this form, plus is considered as 0 and minus is considered as 1. Okay. So the signed bit representation for positive or 1 or plus will be 0. Signed bit representation for plus or you can say for a positive number will be 0 and for a negative or minus will be 1. Okay. So what is the syntax for sign magnitude? There will be two things. One will be the sign bit and another will be the actual binary number. Okay. The syntax of sign magnitude will be like this. Sign bit will be there as MSB, most significant bit, this side, and the actual binary number. Fine. So plus will be considered as 0 and minus will be considered as 1. So for example, if you have to represent plus 7, okay, then this is the syntax. For plus, I told you, for plus the bit will be 1, 0. For plus the bit will be 0. Positive number or a number with sign plus will be represented by 0. The sign will be represented by this sign bit 0. It means if the sign bit is 0, it means the number is positive, plus is there. Okay. Then the actual binary number. What is the binary of 7? 111. So plus 7 will be equal to 0, 111. So this is the sign bit. It means if you will be writing the equivalent decimal number, then you will write 111 and this 0 is for plus. So this is the sign magnitude form of plus 7. Okay. 0, 111. The MSB is showing the sign of the number, that is plus. In this case number is positive, we are representing plus 7. Only 7 means 111. This means only 7, a normal number. But if we are talking about signed numbers, then 0, 111 means plus 7, and similarly if you have to represent minus 7, then the sign bit will be minus and minus will be represented by 1 then the triple one is the actual binary value of 7. So 4 times 1. This is the sign bit. It means minus, and this is for 7. So this represents minus 7. Okay. This is the binary equivalent of minus 7. If you have been given this as a question and you have options like 15, 2, 7 and any other option. Now if you have to choose the option, the answer, what will be your answer? Maybe you can choose 15 as 4 ones are there. Okay, but if you have been given that the binary number is in sign magnitude form, it means this is the sign bit and this is the actual binary number. Okay, and this actual binary number is 7 and this is 1. It means minus. So the minus 7 will be the correct answer. Okay, not 15.